Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Apoorva and in today's video I'll be showing everything I made in 2022. I know it's too late for this kind of video considering we are already in the month of March. Actually, March is also about to get over, but what can I say? I have a serious procrastination problem. I did a similar video last year and I got a lot of love for it, for which I'm grateful. And I guess I'm craving for it again. I love these kind of videos wherein you reflect on what you have learned last year, and also I get a chance to brag about the clothes that I have made. I did try out new silhouettes last year and I'm proud of myself for trying a few of them which came out really well. And also I have mastered in sewing invisible zipper. Yeah, I'm gonna pat myself for that because I hate sewing zipper. I have stitched some clothes which I have worn for some wedding occasion, and so yeah, all I can say is sewing is such a superpower. You can just come up with something on the last minute and you're good to go. I'll be trying all of these dresses, and to begin with, let's start with this one. I had an old maxi dress which I never wore for some reason, so I converted that maxi dress into this cord set. When I made it, I loved it. To be frank, even now I love it. I love the skirt more. I used Rosary Apparel's Hannah pattern to make this skirt. It's lovely. It fits perfectly, and the best thing is it has pockets, and also it's like a wrap skirt, so I can also use it as a beach wear to wear it on swimwear. But I'm not sure about the top though, because I mean this literally is like this. I don't know what was I thinking while making this. I guess I was trying to fit in with current trends. I don't know, was I trying to be a Gen Z? Clearly I'm not. I'm a millennial who loves comfortable clothing. So yeah, I guess I have to fix this and I don't know, add a button or something, or else I might end up flashing my boobs in public, which I don't want to do. Otherwise, this is such a lovely cord set. I guess this skirt would look really pretty with even a basic white crop top or even a black crop top. So yeah, I guess I'll be wearing this skirt a lot in the summer. I have another dress which is short. This is such a beautiful dress. I mean, I love the color. I feel like pink literally makes everything so pretty. This looks perfect in the front. I mean, it looks cute, girly and perfect. And when I turn, it's a little short. While cutting out fabric, I don't know why I don't consider that I have a pear-shaped body. Problems of every pear-shaped body. I mean, I can actually wear it like this outside. The only thing is I'm not supposed to bend, or else I might flash my bum. That's the only solution. Or I might have to attach something at the bottom. But other than that, I love this dress. It's so simple, minimalistic and pretty. This fabric was sent to me by Fabriclore. This is a pure cotton fabric with block print on it. I literally had only 1 meter of fabric. I literally did not have fabric to even make the straps, so I have used different pink fabric to make the strap. Now let's try the next dress which I really love, and that is this peach dress. Clearly the cottagecore vibes continued in 2022 as well. I think it will continue for a really long time because I love the vibes of it. I love this fabric. The bandhani print on it makes it so Indo-Western and I'm living for it. I like how pretty this looks and also sexy because it has a leg movement, and also the square neck is so flattering. I got this fabric from a website called Bombay Looms. I think I made a fabric haul. I love how simple, pretty and sexy this dress is. I love a leg movement. By the way, do let me know which dress you like the most, because sometimes I need validation. Moving on, the next thing that I'll be trying is this white wrap dress. This is a wrap dress that I made from a fabric that I got for a collab. Craftsy sent me this crushed cotton fabric. I love fabric with texture, so yeah, I just love this fabric. And I have used henna pattern from Rosary Apparel for the below part of the dress. For the above part, I've manipulated the basic bodies. This is such a cute and elegant dress. I guess I'll be wearing this a lot this summer. Next up, I'm gonna wear another white dress. I love how simple the silhouette is. The front of the dress looks chic and the back is sexy. And also the print of the fabric makes it so quirky. I got this fabric from an Instagram page called Al Harir. This has everything that I dig in a dress. Simple, cute, and also a little bit of sexiness. I love this pattern so much that I'm planning to make one other dress. I guess I'll record that video and show you guys how to make this dress. Moving on, the next dress that I'll be trying is this simple slip dress. This is again such a basic slip dress that I made out of this pure cotton fabric that I got from Fabric Lore, again for a collab. It's such a basic dress for summer, and I guess I have worn this dress the most considering it's very comfortable, and this is how the back looks. I guess I might make a few more of this year. Moving on, let's try the next dress, and that would be this white dress. I made this pretty dress thinking that I'll wear it for my birthday, but I was so caught up worrying about being an adult that I did not celebrate my birthday. So yeah, I hope I get an occasion to wear this dress because it's really pretty. I love the sequins fabric and I love this detailing. I hand stitched all of this, which took a lot of time. So yeah, I really need to wear this for some occasion. I'm not quite sure about the tying part of it. I might remove this and make it just like a strap. This year I have made a lot of white dresses and also dresses which are more comfortable than what I used to stitch before. That will be the mantra for 2023 as well. More comfortable clothes. The next one I'm gonna try is this kurti. This is another simple kurti that I made last year. I usually don't like sewing blouse and kurti, but I thought I'd try it and it came out well. I'm pretty impressed that it came out really well. I guess I'll be making more of this cotton kurtas because they're perfect for summer. The fabric is from Bombay Looms. It's a pure cotton fabric. I love the color of this fabric. It's a nice icy blue with beautiful mauve color floral print on it. I like the fact that it is so simple and comfortable. The next thing that I'll be trying is this lehenga. So my friend gave me her mom's sari which she never used, and I had to make few lehengas for a wedding, and this was such a perfect timing because I thought ki why not try out of this, and surprisingly this came out so well. I made a gathered lehenga because it was an organza sari and it gave a amazing flare to the skirt. And the blouse part, I just made it like a bustier, and I have hand stitched all these petals which took a lot of time but definitely worth it. Something about lehenga that makes you wanna twirl for no reason. I'm feeling dizzy. I think I'm gonna stop it now. Moving on, there is another pretty lehenga, that is this green lehenga that I made for a wedding. I love the color of it. I love the floral print on it. I love this, mirror foil detailing, and yeah, I love the flare. I have used around 5 meters of fabric for the skirt and 2.5 meter for the dupatta and 1 meter for the blouse. I'll be uploading a tutorial on how I made this, so watch out for that. I got the fabric from Dora website, and this is a beautiful organza fabric. Even the blouse fabric is organza. One of the proudest sewing moments. I love pastels, florals and organza, and this has everything. I wore this for a mehendi function and I got a lot of compliments, and yeah, I love this. I might have said that way too many times, but yeah, if I love something, then I make sure I say that 100 times. Moving on, the next lehenga is this beautiful grey lehenga. I think out of everything I made in 2022, this is my favorite. This was the first time I made panel lehenga and it came out perfectly. This is also one of my favorite dress. I mean, look at the fabric. It's a beautiful eyelet fabric in a lovely yellow color. I got this fabric for a collab and it's a pure cotton fabric. It's perfect for summer. All I can think doing wearing this dress is go on a strawberry picking date or maybe a picnic. I just love the puff sleeve, the tiered effect which gives so much flair to the dress. Also, the best part of the dress is it has pockets. The next dress that I'll be trying is this beautiful red dress that I made out of dupatta.
Camera battery ran out while I was recording this video, so I'm gonna add an old clip of the dress. The color of this dress is so gorgeous. It's such a simple silhouette, yet it looks very pretty because of the color.
Next up, I have few basic tops that I made this year. But out of all the basic tops, this has to be my favorite.
I have used a blouse piece for the bodice part and a random organza fabric which matched the blouse piece. I love the color of this top and the puff sleeve. This beautiful kanta work fabric was sent to me by Fabriclore for a collab. I like how simple and basic it is so that I can wear it on everyday basis. This is a cute little halter top that I made within few hours. Fell in love with this color and velvet fabric, so I had to make a cowl neck top. This is another pretty ikat print fabric that was sent to me by Fabriclore for a collab. I decided to make something basic so that I can wear it every day because I really adore this color and the fabric. Another basic top with puff sleeve. I was trying out some new pattern and just came up with this within like an hour or so. The last one in this video is this simple top with tying straps. It's a very simple top that I made from Fabriclore fabric, which was again sent for a collab.